Yeah. Hi, Prajwal.
Hi, man.
How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. Myself, Varshini from Quality Department. Today I am going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Prajwal, and I'm pursuing civil engineering in Data Ambedkar Institute of Technology. It's my final year. I'm still pursuing.
Okay. Um, can I know how you know about CMTI?
Well, they have arrived at our college. I had some and took some seminars in our college where I came to know about them, and I approached a college. Let me to approach them to find the job.
Yeah, that's nice. How did you crack the interview? Like, what's the procedures have you facing from the interview?
Firstly, I had to shortlist my CV. Then they would call me to their office for interview, and they ask some technical questions and about me, about myself, and they explain about the job criteria, and they issue the offer letter.
Okay, that's nice. So for which role you have selected Prajwal?
Currently, my role is site engineer.
What do you want to tell for your juniors?
I want to tell that learn as much as you can in technical, so it would be useful for the real world. Working in a field it would be very difficult, so make sure you do internships and outside somewhere.
Congratulations for the placement.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a bright future, Prajwal.